This is the world's largest flying creature, the pterosaur, with a maximum wingspan of 40 feet and a weight estimate ranging from 110 grams to 250 kilograms. Pterosaurs are one of the earliest known flying vertebrates, but their flight is different from that of birds and is more similar to gliding. Pterosaurs were probably carnivores, feeding on fish, insects, and other small animals. Pterosaur fossils have been found in many regions around the world, indicating that they were once widely distributed in lakes, rivers, and coastal areas around the world.